Yo, g'day. It's Chris O. I did this for yesterday. Now I'm going to be doing the walls. I just want to put a coat of waterproof on this. I'm just putting on my camera. Okay, how's that, everyone? I just want to zap a coat of waterproof on this that I did yesterday. I've just built it up and given it a bit of slope. So we'll give it a coat. I've just arrived here first thing in the morning. It's 8 o'clock, brand new day. The owner popped his head in last night, said to me this morning, "Oh, Chris O, geez, it's gonna look good." And I, yeah, mate. Yeah. Nah, it will. Right, that's cool. It is always good, everyone, if you have a bit of slope. When the water, a bit of water soaks through your grout, it's the same as your floor tiling. When a bit of water soaks through your grout, it just runs on that waterproof down and into the strip drain. And there's no water sitting there at any time. You see, waterproof is not something that you keep immersed in water, and that's why I'm so against now waterproofing on the slab and then putting your mud over the top. Nah, I'm a full-on fan of waterproofing on top of your screed, so all the water runs off and down the drain. It's not sitting there. We'll see you soon. This is Chris O. Subscribe, people. Help grow the channel. You will always see something that's that I'm up to. I'm hitting it as much as I can, so it's all going to be good. This I will tile around the opening, and then I'll get the owner just to give me a hand and we'll zap the cabinet in, but I'll do that after I've tiled, so I haven't got a finished cabinet in there and I'm having to tile around it. Nah, that's what was done in the old days. Vanities got put in and you're trying to tile around them, and oh Jesus, nah, you don't do anything like that anymore. That's out. We'll see you soon. Ciao.